Microsegmentation can protect your applications from advanced persistent threats and lateral attacks. But how do you control user access to these applications? For example, all employees need access to an HR self-service portal, but only sales employees need access to the CRM application. Department VLANs and ACLs are often used to implement this, but the process is tedious and error-prone and can easily be breached by VLAN hopping or using stolen credentials. And then there's the issue of providing controlled access to the extended workforce, such as partners and vendors. This is usually done with a VPN providing access to the network and VLAN ACLs to restrict access to specific systems. With numerous configuration touchpoints, this may take days or even weeks and takes a severe toll on business productivity and efficiency. ColorTokens integrates with your existing identity management system to easily define and enforce user access to microsegmented applications. It also enables remote employees and partners to access authorized applications transparently without the use of a VPN. So let's look at how easy it is to authorize users to access an application. I've already defined microsegments for 2 production applications in this enterprise, one for the HR self-service application and another for the CRM application. I've integrated the color master with the Enterprise Active Directory so we can refer to existing user groups or departments. This ensures that policies we define are always synchronized with the organizational structure. To authorize an application, we first create an access group that represents all authorized users. Let's create one for the HR application. We enter a name for the group and then include all the departments that we want to provide access to. I can also include other attributes such as the location of the systems or some system attributes. Let's restrict access to employees using Windows systems. I can also restrict access from specific subnets, but we'll skip this for now. So we have now defined a group of users belonging to multiple departments and using Windows-based systems. Now let's authorize this group to access the HR application. ColorTokens provides a visual policy authoring tool that makes this incredibly simple. To authorize access to our new HR access group, I select the access group and then select the target application. I now specify what services or protocols can be accessed, and as the HR portal is a web-based application, I enable HTTP and HTTPS. And that's all it takes to authorize access to this application. I've also created a sales access group that includes only the sales department, and I've authorized this group to access the CRM application. Now let's test our identity-based microsegmentation. Holly is an employee in the HR department and so is a member of the HR access group we just defined. She's able to access the HR self-service portal as we authorize access to the HR department. But notice that she cannot even connect to the CRM web server. Sally is in the sales department, and you can see that she belongs to both the HR and sales access groups. She's able to access the HR self-service portal as well as the CRM application. And the ColorTokens visualizer shows these access attempts in real time. The green lines indicate authorized traffic, while the red lines indicate the unauthorized attempts that were blocked. Now let's look at seamless remote access. Pam is with the purchasing department and is traveling abroad. She has no access to the enterprise network and therefore cannot directly access the HR self-service portal. So she authenticates into the color master. In this example, we have configured password-based authentication using Active Directory credentials. ColorTokens also supports SAML as well as automatic authentication for domain-joined and workplace-joined devices. Once authenticated, she can directly access the authorized HR application over a secure tunnel without requiring a VPN connection. And the Color Master dashboard provides real-time status of all remote user connections. And that's how easy it is to implement identity-based microsegmentation as well as provide transparent remote access without a traditional VPN.